in this video, I'm going to teach you how to split the full name into the first name, last name, and then again into the full name in the Microsoft Excel. So I have this observation. I'll walk you through one by one. Let's start with the first name. So here is one really cool feature in the Excel. So choose the observation you have and go to the data, and there's the text column option. So once you choose that, delimited it, next, and there's a different option. You can test the different option based on what you like. So I'm going to choose the space, next, and then the destination file where you want to paste that result. So I'm going to paste that in C. So you can type the C or you can select the C, but I'm going to type the C over here. So the observation will start from this C cell. Finish. So that's, you can see the first name and the last name. And another, let's consolidate the first name and last name into the full name in the single cell. So for that, we have a feature as a uh, concatenate. So this is the function that Excel have. So you have to choose the first name, comma. If you want a space, then use the quotation sign, comma, and then last name. So this is how it's going to be the result. Okay, thank you so much for your time.